AInfinity is about helping companies to deliver AI solutions quickly, securely, at low cost. So we developed a platform where the organizations can able to develop solutions quickly at a very high speed and a low cost. So the platform has got a power of AI engine and a real good visualizations platform, which is very unique in the market, and it's mainly aimed for AI for business users. So where the business users and the data analysts can able to build AI solutions quickly by using a very quick drag and drop functionality, and they can build solutions in a matter of few hours with our platform. This is where the unique advantage of AInfinity is about. We help deliver a lot of complex solutions in financial services like fraud detection models, credit card fraud, predictive models, customer engagement, and to optimize business value and increase ROI. So I just wanted to very quickly talk about some of our case studies here, which is in the financial services. And this bank here, when we walked in, we looked at a model here, a real-time AI anomaly detection and a cash equity trade process. And they have a traditional rule-based engine which cannot able to capture the anomalies, the pattern, where we could able to help this to develop this model very quickly. And the OPEX cost savings are around 30% per year. And also we can able to create a holistic automation of the workflow with AI. And I'll just now go to a quick demo of financial services use case, what we did. And this is about real-time credit card fraud detection. How many here have been a victim of credit card fraud, or maybe no? I've been myself a victim, and this is the extent of the problem in the industry. The credit card fraud is actually around, you can see a very high number, 32 trillion in total. And you talk about online fraud, pretty much I think this is the biggest problem for most big financial institutions. And we help this customer here basically, they have lots of data sets coming from, and they don't have any parameters to visualize the data, and also they don't have any visibility to identify the fraud transactions. What we help them is actually create a real-time pipeline where they can integrate the data from multiple sources in more real time. And we created a model so that it can actually create the best efficiency for the scenario, and we integrated that with advanced dashboard so that people can able to visualize it. I'll show you very quickly the details of the model. So we took a very high volume of data here, which is 590,000 records, and we could able to develop an AI model within 8 hours. The best model going through a lot of data simulations and algorithms, and this is where the power of some of our solutions. And traditionally, if you look at any rule-based engine, any software application, it's you cannot do that fast. And of course, the model is there with 87% recall, which is actually identifying the true positives of actually the true fraudulent transactions. And also it's self-learning, and it will increase over time with the GPU capacity and also with more parameters. So we did that model, and also we could expose that to a real-time dashboard where we can able to see where the fraud categories are happening across different states, and you can actually have a real-time heat map scenario, so the business users can able to find out the information. And so if you put that number in the context of the numbers, so our model, as I mentioned, it's giving it 87% of recall, and so which is identifying 1.2% of fraudulent transaction. So if you get that to the valued transaction, is actually $59,000 in 2 days. Obviously, if you spend that to a month, it's a 1 million savings. So pretty much, I think our model can able to help the customer to deploy this AI solution quickly, so that they can really see a very tangible, real value benefit there, which is obviously substantial, $1 million savings of identifying the fraudulent transactions. And this is an example. The customer, they're spending around $140,000 per year on a recurring basis, and we could able to do that in 4 weeks. With a significantly low cost at $40,000, and as you can see, the benefits is savings of 72%. So this is a real good example of what we have done with our advanced AI solution. And so I just wanted to close off my thoughts about our company. And first of all, thank you for joining us. And one last comment I wanted to leave out is a lot of companies are in the journey of AI, or perhaps wanted to optimize ROI, increase ROI using AI solutions, and we can help them to deliver AI solutions very quickly with our platform and our expertise. And this is where AInfinity Lab can able to help. And of course, feel free to come and talk to us, and we can able to help you. Thank you.